Have you ever found a feather and felt like it meant something? It probably did. And by the way, this video is being made because someone, asked me in one of my comments a question about it and asked me if I would make a video about feathers and what they mean and colors and things like that. His name doesn't have an actual name, but what it says is MRH7637. So anyway, it's for everybody, but I'm making this for you. So those of you that have the same interest, guess what? You can thank this person for asking me to make this video. Blessings, beautiful souls. I'm Lady StarFire, and today I want to bring you information about the meanings of finding feathers and the colors and just what it, different things that it can mean. Can it mean other things besides what I'm going to tell you? Things can mean all sorts of things, everywhere from the little bit of information I'm going to give you to, a bird lost a feather. But normally, there are no coincidences. Things always mean something. So sit back, grab your pen and paper, and take some notes, and I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Now, people and witches, of course, have been using feathers for centuries, okay? All sorts of purposes. They are one of the oldest spiritual symbols across all cultures. They represent messages from spirits, ancestors, your guides, and they're a reminder that you're not walking this path alone. When a feather appears, it's often a whisper saying something like, you're supported, you're protected, we're here, keep going. A black feather is not something that's negative or evil. Some people think that black always represents negativity, evil, all that stuff, and that's just not the case. A black feather is powerful protection and spiritual shielding. Brown feathers ground us. Gray feathers remind us to find balance. And a multicolored feather, that one is a message just for you. The bird that feather comes from also makes a difference energetically. Be sure to look up that particular bird and see what it represents. Crow and raven feathers, they carry very deep and transformational magic. Owl feathers, of course, they speak of wisdom and hidden truths. Hawk feathers remind us to rise above and see clarity. In witchcraft, feathers represent the element of air, its thought, its breath, its intention. What do I always say about intention? They can be used in ritual to direct energy. And of course, they're used to fan smoke when needed. You can even use it as a wand, as a substitute, if you don't have one, you don't have it handy, or you're doing something that deals with communication, clarity, or a spiritual message. And now a gentle yet strong message. Never harm a bird for its feathers, and be careful, don't take one from a bird that is protected. There are a lot of feathers, even though the bird is lying there dead, it can be illegal, depending on where you live, to have those feathers. A lot of your hawks are very protected, eagles especially, and there are a lot of owls that only Native Americans can actually, possess them, card-carrying Native Americans, okay? So know your feathers and know what's okay for you to have in your possession and what you may want to pick up, receive the message, and gently leave it there, where it was found, okay? So check on those things because I don't want to see you get in trouble just because you're learning about feathers, okay? So if you find a feather, no matter what color it might be, okay? You find it, pause for a moment. Ask Spirit, what message am I supposed to be receiving from this? And thank them for delivering this to you. Now, if this spoke to you, comment feather down below and tell me what color or bird you found. And as always, walk gently, walk magically, and respect all of nature. Nature is here for us, but we also have to take care of it, okay? And for the person that asked for this video, I certainly hope that this answers your questions and helps you, and I hope the rest of you enjoy it too. And if there's something that you want to learn about, just like this one did, comment below and tell me what it is, and I will do my best to get it to you just as soon as possible, okay? I can't always pop out and get it, that day or even that week, but I will get it as quickly as I can. So just remember, there's always videos popping up here if you want to watch more. and I hope you're enjoying my videos. And if you do, be sure to click that like and subscribe and the bell and share my videos and comment for me, okay? And I'm sorry if I'm late responding to you. I don't always seem to be getting the notifications like I should, and so I do get to you just as quickly as I can, and I do apologize for when too much time has passed by, because I don't like that. I prefer to get to you at least within a day, but it doesn't always happen. It also kind of depends on my schedule. So I've been, busy working on my app, helping my husband with his fishing app, dealing with classes and homework and my community and all of those sorts of things. So if you want to get to me quicker, you can always find me in my community. Anyway, so until the next time, I look forward to hearing from you and figuring out what you want to learn about. Blessed be.